Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 7. Which state has launched the Ganga Water Supply Scheme GWSS? Options: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is the scheme. It's a unique and ambitious initiative to provide Ganga water on tap in the parched areas of the state. That means in the dried areas of the state. The scheme will help to harvest the excess water of the Ganga during the monsoon season. The water will be stored in reservoirs in Rajgir and Gaya before being channeled to three treatment and purification plants from where it will be supplied to the public. So the water will be stored in the reservoirs Rajgir and Gaya before they would be sent to the public. Har Ghar Gangajal. So this GWSS scheme, Ganga Water Supply Scheme, is also called as Har Ghar Gangajal scheme. It's a part of Bihar government's Jal Jeevan Haryali scheme. So the answer for the question is Bihar. Bihar state has launched the Ganga Water Supply Scheme, where the river Ganga water will be supplied to every household's tap. Here is another question for you. National Florence Nightingale Awards are awarded in recognition for meritorious services rendered in which field? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down your answer. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such quick knowledge boosting videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali.